Introduction. React is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces, especially for single-page applications. The Select component in React allows creation of drop-down menus, which are easy to manage and highly customizable. Basics of using React Select. React Select is a flexible and customizable replacement for the traditional Select component, with features like multi-select, autocomplete, and remote data fetching. Install React Select using npm and import it into your component file. Declare an array of options for the Select box and use the Select component to pass in your options array as a prop. Customizing the React Select. You can customize almost every aspect of React Select, from the way each option is rendered to the Select box's behavior. To allow users to select multiple options, add the isMultiProp to the Select component. Control the selected value externally using the value prop. Common errors and how to avoid them. One common error is not managing the state of the selected value correctly. Pass the whole object instead of just the event.target value. Provide a unique key prop for each option to avoid unexpected behavior when the list of options changes. Tips and tricks. For a large list of options, use the async variant of React Select to fetch options remotely as the user types. Customize the styles of the component using the styles prop to match the look and feel of your application. Conclusion. React Select is a powerful and customizable Select component for React, with features like multi-select, autocomplete, and remote data fetching. Proper understanding and usage can enhance the user experience of your forms. Always manage the state of the selected value and provide a unique key for each option to avoid common errors.